What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a quick highlight video on a new thing that came out on the Bybit exchange, the NFT marketplace. So first of all, I have a partnership with Bybit. I think they are a great exchange, definitely for trading. So if you're into trading of cryptos, Bybit have the lowest fees, I think, together with BitMEX or something. So yeah, if you do want to sign up with them and gain some bonuses, you can use the link down in the description. With that link, you have the chance to get some bonus USDT if you do some certain things up to somewhere around 4,000 USDT, I believe. So it could be a great opportunity. You don't have to, but that's just the opportunity. So yeah, Bybit recently announced the NFT marketplace and released the NFT marketplace. In my opinion, it's great for the NFT community. As of right now, it's still a little bit small and it's difficult to get on it on the marketplace. But there are some cool things you can do right now. I mean, if you buy your first NFT right now, you can earn up to 20,000 USDT. So that's a great bonus. And then these are two projects. So as of right now, it's just that marketplace, and you can follow the community of the NFTs on Telegram. But on Telegram, it's a little bit busy right now, but also on Twitter. Here you can see the Bybit NFT, almost 50,000 followers, so that's great. And on the marketplace, the main thing right now, so you can go to the marketplace right here. Main thing right now is that they have mystery boxes of Monster Galaxy. If you don't know Monster Galaxy, we can look that up together. It's quite big. It's an NFT game. Here you can see. If you want to know more about it, it's playmonstergalaxy.com, but they have, in collaboration with them, released mystery boxes, which you can buy here. So you have these mystery boxes, but also a lot of the Monster Galaxy NFTs are being sold and bought within the marketplace right now. Apart from that, you also have some other creators, such as Oscar Oiwa, Ai Makita, and some other ones, I believe, which are on the marketplace right now. Davey Russo and Really. So as I said, it's still a little bit limited right now, but I think there's great potential. Bybit has a very big platform. I think they're a great company. And NFTs, as you probably, if you're watching this video, you know it's a growing industry. So there is still a lot of potential for the NFT industry and also for the Bybit NFT marketplace. So I'm looking forward to seeing which projects are going to come on the marketplace next. I'll probably update you with it when some cool projects come out. But yeah, as for now, that's basically the video. I just wanted to do a quick highlight on the NFT marketplace. Just wanted to bring the news out to the world. If you do want to check them out, as I said, on the Bybit, you have to go to the Bybit exchange, the Bybit platform first. If you do want to sign up, as I said, there's a link down in the description. And then right here from NFT, that takes you right to the marketplace and right into the action. And as I said, if you do want a chance at 20k USDT and you would want to buy one of these NFTs, then this is a great marketplace to visit as of right now. So yeah, that's basically the video. If you have any questions regarding the marketplace, regarding Bybit, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.